Hello everybody, this is Huong. How are you doing today? So I'm making dinner for my family and I'm gonna show you how to make a quick fried rice. And here goes. Let me make sure that this is gonna be closer to where my pot's at. So I have here some sausage. This is actually a Vietnamese sausage. They put it in sticky rice, but it's perfect for when you're making fried rice. So I have a lot of leftover rice and I was like, let's make some fried rice today. So this is called California sausage. It means lạp xưởng mai quế lộ heo. And you can actually buy this from the Asian store. So I'm gonna crank up my heat and I'm gonna put in my EVOO, my olive oil. So basically I'm gonna just crack my eggs. I'm gonna use around 4 eggs because I'm gonna use all of my rice today because this is perfect when I have leftover, because we always have leftover. So we're gonna just use about 4 eggs. And this is the trick. This is the trick when you put in your eggs. I hope you can see this. Okay, let's see. Okay, so basically what you want to do right now, you want to add your sriracha onto these eggs. I'm going to put my pans right here because I don't want to burn them. And we're going to add our pepper, black pepper. I don't use any measurement for this. I'm going to use my fish sauce. Just put it into my eggs right now, as you can see. Alrighty. And we just gonna whisk it up and we're gonna put it right in here. So that's what you do. You mix everything up. Look at that color from that sriracha, and you just put it right onto your pans when it's hot. So what you want to do right now is just kind of spread it out. Okay, and then once the eggs form, we're gonna add our rice with it. So I have here some leftover rice from yesterday, and it's good when you have leftover rice, just put it in your refrigerator. Don't put it out by the rice cooker, it's gonna go bad, okay? So with this batch of rice, I actually mixed my sticky rice and with the rice. So I hope that you can see me and you'll see the rice and when it's cooked. It's gonna be a very simple fried rice with sausage. I'm gonna put all my rice that I have here as well. At this point, we're just gonna make sure we break the rice apart. So I was like, maybe I'm not gonna cook today. We have the chicken left over yesterday and the rice, but then I ended up saying, I'm gonna make fried rice. That's a problem when you know how to cook and you just don't want to eat the same thing. You want something different every single day. Okay, my sauce is fine. 5-second rule. So now it's just a matter of incorporating it. It's gonna be a real nice. So I want the eggs to kind of get onto this rice. So I'm going to show you just what to put into this fried rice. So I have all kinds of seasoning here. I'm going to add a little bit of soy sauce. My oyster sauce is always work great with fried rice. So I'm adding a little bit of everything. And fried rice is not going to be good without sesame oil. Oh, this one is not open yet. I just bought a new bottle. It's gonna have that nice and nutty sesame flavor. And I'm gonna add a little bit of my chili stir fry. So just a little bit, because we already have the kick from that sriracha and my pepper. I'll just put it right in here. And last but not least, I'm gonna add my fish sauce. Okay, so what we're gonna do right now is just stir this up again. And we're gonna make sure that we have our marinade, our seasoning. So I think this is a great way when you do marinade or you do seasoning, put everything in one pot, and then go ahead and just stir it around. To get everything mix it together. So what am I gonna do now is I have some stir-fried onions. It's already made. My aunt made this in Vietnam and she sent packages it for us. So my mom always gave me some. So I have it in my refrigerator. So as you can see, the rice is coming together. It smells so good in here. And last but not least, we're gonna add our scallion. Ta-da! So scallion is gonna add a nice flavor to it. Can you see me? Okay, so our rice is almost ready. You can see that. I think it will be good if you just kind of mix it up for about 5 minutes or so at a medium, and you are ready to eat. This is so good. I can feel it already. And see, let me show you how it looks like. And I also make some quick soups. My quick soups over there, you can see. It has some fresh beans, as well as some few carrots, daikon, beets. I put it all together and I put my beef bouillon and make it as a soup. So we always have soup for our dinner and for our meal. So I hope you enjoy this. It's a little bit, actually long, but I hope you enjoy this fried rice recipe that I make. And I'll see you next time in my kitchen. Bye bye. Mwah.